Today we got this Briggs and Straton Brute Snowblower. See that? It won't start. It's got the electric start on there. I tried that tons of times. Tried to pull thing. Ain't get nothing. Because we had it on choke here. Like watch this. See. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we got over here. Ain't got nothing. So let's see what the problem is. Well, first off, what we need to do is we need to take this thing apart right here. For some odd reason, there's no screws in mine already. They're already out. I don't know why. The screws are already gone there. But we take this thing off right here. And that should pop right off there. Let's get like a flathead maybe. Let's see here. Whoop, came right off. Whoops. Take this off. Boom. Now this should, look at that. That's coming off. Let's check the carburetor out. See, here's the carburetor. And the spark plug is right up over there is a spark plug. You can barely see it, but there you go. Well, we'll see what the problem is and I'll holler back at you. Okay, what I did was I took this apart in order to do that. This part here had star screws. See that? Of course, I got a bit with a star on it from decking screws I use. So I already had that bit already. So if not, that's what you got to use to get that off there. And then I took and this is the fuel line. I pulled that off and fuel came out of there. I put it back in there. Take this screw out down here underneath the carburetor. Put that out a little bit. Of course, gas flew out of there. And so I think it was, I don't know. I guess there's plenty of gas in there. At least I cleaned it out. I'm not a mechanic though. So I don't know nothing about this stuff. I'm just trying here. Okay, there's a spark plug. Boom, pulled the wire off. Let's take the spark plug off with the spark plug socket. 5/8 socket and see what happens. Okay, there's the spark plug right there. Let me zoom out on here. There it is. Let's go ahead and see if we got spark. We'll go ahead and pull the chain, pull the starting rope. See if you guys can see it here. Yep, we got spark there. So now let's see what the problem is. Okay, back again. I ran out of time to do this yesterday. But I took this off here. This was right here. It had 2 little bolts on there. These little things here. Took them off. Boom. Then I took these star heads over here off. Pull that off. This carburetor came out down here. Now when that came out, it was clean. Well, I cleaned it up a little bit. Put it back on. It started right up. I'm not for sure why. I think maybe it had water down there or something like that maybe. All I did was take it off and blew on it, blah, blah. Moved everything, you know. Moved all these parts and pieces, you know. Now it's on open. This is for run. I guess that's run, isn't it? I'm not for sure if that's choke or run. Let's go ahead and try it again and show you. Of course, I'm only doing this much inside here because we're inside a garage. Carbon monoxide and dye. I'm going to press. See, I got a button over here. Let me plug it back in over here. Let's see here. Plug her in. Oh, plug this baby back in. I'm thinking it might have had a little bit of just water or ice down inside here. Down inside this canister here. After I let that completely dry out, boom. Now watch this. Press this button. Whoops. Hold on to it. Before I wrap up this video, I kind of watched the video a little bit, and I noticed when I take the rubber fuel line off, I take pliers. There's a little clamp there. You pull them, you go up, and you pull the hose, the gas feeding hose to the carburetor. You pull it out, gas gonna start spraying everywhere. I just took this bit here. It's actually just a drill bit. I stuck that end inside that rubber hose and stuck it up there. I just don't, they say you can use screwdrivers, like Phillips screwdrivers too. If you're watching this whole video before you do it, you know what I mean? It's just a good little trick. That way you don't have gas spraying everywhere, But anyway, yeah. All right, well, I got a chance to use my snowblower a day late, but it still works. I'm not for sure if I just had maybe ice, water, or something like that down inside that canister going through the carburetor or in the carburetor itself. I'm not for sure what happened, but hopefully I showed you some ways of getting to test it out. If you've never tested out a spark plug, see if you get a spark. That's how you do it there. Usually spark plugs don't go bad in these things, I don't think. But, it's sitting outside, not outside, it's in a barn, but it's out in the elements pretty much in a way. So, and it doesn't run that often. So it's hard telling what it could be. But anyway, that's where you need to go check at, take that thing apart right there in that spot, Make sure you get spark and go from there. If you ain't getting spark, get a spark plug and try it, But and make sure that, everything is on, like that button that shuts the fuel off. Make sure that's, either disconnected or make sure the points aren't hunting together, A bunch of different things, But hopefully this video helped you out a little bit. Subscribe. Peace out. And wait. Let me know down the bottom what it probably was, because I have no idea. You know what I mean? And to help other people out, maybe you can conversate down below. Peace.